Okay, so this Samsung phone launched during the big billion days, but for some strange reason, this went completely unnoticed. Unlike other Samsung phones that gets a lot of attention, this phone has absolutely zero hype. Now, this is very weird because it's not at all a bad phone. In fact, it's a very good phone for the price. See, the phone that I'm talking about is the Samsung Galaxy M55s, which is the successor to the M55. Let's just compare the key specs of this phone against the M55 to see what are the upgrades. The processor is the same, camera setup is the same, battery is also same, and even the display is the same. But if you look closely, there's one change. Yes, the color of the text. Yes, it's exactly the same phone as the M55 or the F55, and not just the key specs. Everything else is same too, even the dimensions and the weight. One thing is different though. The back panel. Yes, it has a brand new fusion designed with both shiny and matte texture along with some stripes near the camera. Although, I don't generally like this design language, but Samsung has done this tastefully and it doesn't look tacky at all. But yeah, that's about it. That's the all-new M55s for you. Oh wait, I forgot something. The price. The price is where things get super interesting. Actually, M55 launched in India for around 25,000 rupees and right now it's selling for 22k. But this phone is available on Amazon for 18,000 rupees and you can get it for even less with some bank discounts. Basically, you're getting the M55 at a discount of 4,000 rupees, which is a crazy deal because a lot of people I know are specifically looking for Samsung phone under 20k, and for them, it's an easy recommendation. I mean, you get the Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 processor, same 120Hz display, all-day battery life, and 4 years of OS updates, and all that at a much lesser price. Now, we have seen brands launching the same phone where they change the name and increase the price, but this is a first. A new phone with the same specs but at a much lower price. Better than deal, isn't it? But let's just take a look at how this phone fares against the competition in the same price segment. First of all, in terms of performance, iQOO Z9 and Poco X6 stands out. In fact, X6 also comes with an impressive 1.5K display and has more base storage, and Nord CE4 gets a slightly bigger battery and a faster charger in the box. But when it comes to the software support, Samsung comes on top. It's not the cleanest with glass, bloatware, etc., but Samsung provides updates faster, which is really good. By the way, it's running on One UI 6.1 based on Android 14, and it gets all the One UI features that you see on their flagship devices, except for AI features, obviously. Although X6 has a better display on paper, but the panel on M55s is also very good. The colors look crisp and sharp, the stereo speakers are also very loud, and the phone gets pretty bright outdoors, so there's no visibility issues as well. And if I talk about the cameras, M55s does take some good photos from the main camera, but it's a bit saturated, which is typical Samsung. The photos from ultra-wide camera looks a bit faded, but the selfies are sharp and vibrant. You also get 4K 30 video recording, the videos are stable enough, and there are no focus hunting issues, which is good. All in all, the camera performance on this phone is good enough, but it's not the best. Apart from all this, there's one major issue that a lot of people complained in their M55, and that was the heating issue. So I specifically tested it out to see if it still exists. I ran this test in a practical scenario where I recorded 4K 30 video for 30 minutes and the temperature on the back shot up to 47 degrees only after 9 minutes. And it goes all the way to 50 degrees after 18 minutes of recording, which is definitely a lot. In gaming though, the maximum temperature that I ever recorded was 42 to 43 degrees, which is still okay. In day-to-day usage too, the phone gets slightly warm, especially while playing HDR videos, but other than that, it stays calm during normal usage. 5000 mAh battery can easily last you more than a day with casual usage, and on the connectivity front, it's quite sorted with 13 5G bands, NFC support, and a hybrid microSD slot expandable up to 1 TB. Lastly, you don't get a charger in the box, but there's a silver lining. On this phone, you get 45-watt charging speed, which is not even there in the base S24 model. See, M55s is not the best phone under 20k, but if you're specifically looking for a Samsung phone, then this is a very good option. Yes, you don't get top-of-the-line performance, but you do get good cameras, all-day battery life, and very good software support. For a casual user who does not play a lot of games, this is a very good Samsung phone and is a much better deal than M55 or F55. If you have any questions about this phone, feel free to ask us in comments and we'll answer them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.